Jump up and get down like you're in the house, baby, with the burnouts now. And it ain't quite the same, a funk, I think I'm dropping slang to put the crowd in motion. Coasting on the notion that my runs like a potion. Raise your fists like this, fuck the dumb shit. The gun shit is out, so come for the fun shit. If one puts a show, gotta back up. I act up, smack up the mic and get high. They let them in, so I said I fill up another taking them medicine. Dr. Rock Knots is rocking the house and turning it out. Cause that's what it's about, having a good time to a funky rhyme, funky groove to the new youth. Come up, dumping the food, cause I'll bust that ass with Riddick Bow at a show to flow up and close, so act like you know. Fall in now. Ain't no way out of this. You're all in now. Let me hear you say ho and ow, bang, pow. A 40 ounce of funk, so jump, drink it down. How now, round down, now I'm gonna show you the Birdmen rock it the way you're supposed to. Funk soldier, rebel renegade, trying to get paid. Glad you stayed. Can't ignore us, jumping for us. One more time and we go to the chorus. Fall in now. Ain't no way out of this. You're all in now. Let your body learn the rhythm. Dance all night long. Ain't nothing wrong. It's just another funky song. Let your body learn the rhythm. Dance all night long. Ain't nothing wrong. It's just another funky song. You heard from Chris made me wanna jump, but what I bump is in a league of its own. Like Madonna, but a little more bad to the bone. Like Thurgood, I wish you would, cause you should hit up and jam like I knew you could. Step to the floor, jump up out your seat, and I'm Batman, so fuck Michael Keaton. I can just kill like Cypress Hill, but I chill, get on stage and watch how motherfuckers get ill. As I spill from my grill, words of wisdom, I kick 'em and trick 'em like a silly rabbit. I gotta have it like Pepsi, step to me, and I'll happily wax that ass like pleasure. I'm on the edge of a ledge, and I'ma step off, jump around like Barishnikov.